this morning from Emyria is Michael Winlow. Michael, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Andrew.
Significant deal from you this morning here. Talk us through this collaboration with Cann Group, Michael.
Cann Group, yeah, we're really excited about this partnership. Brings together a pair of really unique and complementary capabilities from both our organizations. This is to partner on and to develop a registered CBD product for the Australian over-the-counter market. We believe that is a really large underserved market opportunity. And I guess what investors are starting to realize is that there's only two ways you can compete and keep out a leadership position in this market, which now has more than 150 different medicinal products available to patients. And that is through intellectual property in both how your product works, for which patient groups it works in, and what are those benefits that you can give those patients. That's the kind of unique IP and insights that Emyria has through our Emyria data. And then the other way is through product differentiation, something unique, dose form that stands out in the market. And that's what Cann Group brings, along with some terrific local manufacturing capabilities.
So what will be the aim, the objective of this partnership?
Right. So we've already done a lot of work on our drug development program, EMD003. That's targeting major unmet needs in mental health. It's a condition that we're really focused on. We've got an intellectual property portfolio growing on that space. And we have developed a set of trial protocols that will allow us to get the final piece of evidence required for a registration program to obtain Schedule 3 registration for a CBD medicine. All of that's lined up. The missing piece we needed was a product, and so we wanted a product that would stand out on the market, look different, have some improved qualities in terms of bioavailability and patient preference, and that's what Cann Group brings to this market. So it's really the final piece of our program, allows us to go straight into clinical outcome studies, which we hope to commence within the next few months, and build that final piece of evidence for registration.
And you say this product's already been through a phase 1 trial, has it?
That's right. So this is some technology that's known to the market. Cann Group acquired this through their recent acquisition of Satapharm, a Swiss-based company. And so they've already done some of that preclinical work, some of that important evidence generation. The key piece now is to focus on a particular indication and a particular patient group. We've already got a line of sight onto what that patient group needs to look like and what those trials need to look like based on analysis of our data. Kind of the icing on the cake for us too is that this is a dose form that we've been familiar with. We've already got a decent body of real-world evidence on how this drug is already performing in the real world on real patients, given that we've touched this drug and prescribed it for a number of our patients already, which just gives us that extra level of confidence that we know that it will perform well in the clinical trials ahead.
And you did say, so just remind us what you're working on now and what's coming up.
Yeah, great. So right now, the focus is to take this product through our drug development program. That's commencement of pivotal clinical outcomes trials, which will start in a couple of months. And then we'll continue to update the market on new opportunities, new intellectual property, new indications as revealed from analysis of our data, and launch multiple drug programs in parallel behind that, which may or may not involve the Cann product. But that's one of the strong positions that we're in, is that we get to choose the very best product for the job.
Appreciate the update. Michael, nice to see you. Thank you.
You're welcome, Andrew. Thanks for the time. Cheers.